Here's a popular body style, a unique, especially in classics. Pretty cool original car too, 1967 Pontiac LeMans, two-door hardtop. Original color of this car, Montego cream. And when I come up on top of this, you're gonna see this paint does show its age. I'm not so sure quite a bit of it isn't original paint, but you can see where it's checking. I mean, there's places where it's peeling, but it's kind of the cool part about this car. Like they say, they're only original once, and you also know that there hasn't been a bunch of body work, filler things used down below. I mean, get an idea how solid this car is. It's one of those, drive it the way it is. Maybe you want to take it to the next level, repaint it. A great year in body style. 326 era correct V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. This is also originally a bucket seat automatic center console car, so that's pretty cool. With the gold or fawn interior, 221 would be the trim code. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this vehicle from every angle, the undersides, check out those floor pans, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Another thing, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable with the same coverage up to 10 years. Check with your sales consultant when you call in or email. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division. Mag wheels, you can see a little paint up there that's missing. Mentioned the interior, so fawn or gold interior, and these are the original seats as far as the vinyl goes. The carpeting was replaced. Other than that, previous owner stating that this interior is all original. We'll get around to the driver's side so you can check it out a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a look underneath the hood. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. There are some packages of weather stripping you'll also receive if you purchase this vehicle, and you'll be able to check those out in the still pictures also. Let's take a look at the rear chrome. As you can see, dual exhaust. Nice sounding car, also equipped with power steering. I don't believe I mentioned that earlier. Take a look at the pics underneath the hood, under the car, interior, trunk. uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side here from the rear to front, and again, there's places where paint's kind of peeled off, parts where it's checking. That really adds to the character of this car. Like I said, drive it the way it is, or maybe you just want to do some body work, repaint it, and there won't be a whole lot of body work to do. Again, you can see no one is prior to this filled in panels or anything like that. This car looks awful solid. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels. You'll see the data tag and the VIN tag. You want to do any decoding in the still pictures. Again, previous owner just stating the carpeting was replaced. Let's go ahead and start it up. I did not get the radio to power up. Blower fan worked, and wipers worked. There, the miles read 87,743. Wouldn't surprise me if those are original, but once the car is a certain age, on the title it's just marked exempt. So I do not have any way to confirm or deny if that is original or not. Let this warm up a little bit, come off high idle. That was a cold start. You can take a look at the dash. And again, I mentioned it earlier, this is an original center console car with bucket seat interior. Just slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Let it warm up a little bit. Get it down to low idle. This will give you an idea what it sounds like though. gonna let this warm up just a tad. I'm gonna pop the hood open and I'll come back so we can check out that engine bay. Like I said, we'll get in the low idle, check that out too. All right, here's the underside of the hood, nice and tidy, warmed up, low idle. An idea how that sounds. By the way, this does have new carb and exhaust on it, so again, take a look at those underside pictures. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock intake manifold, and again, error correct. 326 V8 paired up with that automatic transmission. Some nice chrome dress up underneath there. What a great body style. 1967 Pontiac LeMans 2-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan will be included with the purchase of this vehicle, and that may be extendable out to 10 years of the same coverage. Check with your sales consultant. We can also assist with transportation. Financing is available, and of course, we do consider trades.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Pontiac LeMans in white with a gold interior. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow left in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. We do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This car feels very solid. It feels a lot newer than it is. Gas gauge is reading 1/3 of a tank right now. Mostly we have lights as indicators for everything else. There is a clock on the right side here. Our blower motor works and our wipers work. This car runs really good, has great acceleration. It's an automatic on the center console, which is very easy to drive and looks nice. Perfectly straight down the road, very smooth. Solid car, but don't know for sure, but it feels like a new undercarriage the way that it rides. Very original looking. The paint is weathered. Inside, the interior is very nice and very original. Very comfortable cruiser. I'll go around this corner here and accelerate one more time. Corners well.